Celebrated on 1st May every year, International Labour's Day, also known as May Day, isn't just a date on the calendar. It's a symbol of respect and recognition of the efforts of working individuals across the globe.
Today, our assembly is not just a celebration. It is about acknowledgement and tribute. It is about understanding the true value of every role, every job, and every effort made.
In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to get lost in the hustle and bustle of daily life and forget the value of hard work. But Labour's Day is a celebration of the efforts of men and women who work tirelessly behind the scenes to build our nation. It's the day to acknowledge the blood, the sweat, and the tears that every worker puts in their jobs.
While we often admire the achievements of great leaders, scientists, and artists, we often ignore the story of the hands that build, hearts that stay strong, and people who work silently without any applause.
So, let's take a moment to reflect on the significance of unnoticed hard work and dedication. I would like to call Arman on the stage for the thought of the day.
Morning, everyone. The thought of the day is all the labor that uplifts humanity has dignity and importance and should be undertaken with painstaking excellence. I repeat, all the labor that uplifts humanity has dignity and importance and should be undertaken with painstaking excellence. Thank you.
Now, time for something informative. Here we have Amarjot with a wonderful speech about Labour's Day.
Good morning. Today, we celebrate Labour Day, a day to honor the hard work and dedication of workers across this nation. From the factories to the fields, from the offices to the homes, labourers have built this country brick by brick and have contributed to its growth and prosperity. Labour Day is not just a holiday, it's a reminder of the struggles and sacrifices made by workers throughout the history. It's a tribute to the men and women who fought for fair wages, better working conditions, and social justice. As we enjoy our barbecues and parades, let us take a moment to appreciate the unsung heroes who keep our economy moving. Let's recognize the contribution of workers in every sector, from healthcare to transportation, from education to construction. Let us also acknowledge the challenges that many workers still face, from unfair labor practices to inadequate compensation. Let us strive for a future where every worker is treated with respect and dignity, where every job provides a living wage, and where every worker has access to safe and healthy working conditions. As we celebrate Labour Day, let us honor the spirit of hard work, dedication, and resilience that defines the Indian worker. Let us continue to keep fighting for a better future, and let us recognize the worth and value of every labourer. Thank you.